Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the second video in series Color Idioms. Today we're going to start with the idiom golden opportunity. What it means? Well, this idiom means a very good or rare chance to do something great. Let's think about those rare moments in life when an amazing chance comes our way. It's like finding a golden ticket that opens up new possibilities for us. For example, having your bachelor's degree paid by your company is a golden opportunity. Not only does it save you money, but it also gives you a head start in your career. The next idiom is to pass with flying colors. This idiom means to succeed at something very easily, especially a test. So this phrase originates from the nautical world, where ships would return to their ports with their flags flying high to show that they had been victorious. So we have this idiom nowadays. And we can say, for instance, we passed the safety check with flying colors. Not only did we meet all the requirements, we did it with ease and excellence. It basically means to succeed at something effortlessly. That's the meaning. Third idiom is red-faced. If you've ever been embarrassed, you know what is that. We all get a little bit red in the face. But here actually that doesn't mean necessarily that we really turn completely red. This means that we are caught in an awkward or embarrassing situation. So we can say, I became quite red-faced when I made a mistake at work. Or my cheeks turned bright red. I felt like everyone was staring at me. So it's a natural reaction. We've all been there. It doesn't mean that we really turn red, maybe a little bit, but we use this idiom to show that we were caught in an awkward and embarrassing situation. The next one is in someone's black books. So this one means that some people don't like us, right? This idiom originated from I think 16th century, and the list of people that were going to be punished for something they did were written in black books. That's why we can say, for example, once when you are in your boss's black books, you are probably not going to get a promotion, right? You're not getting promoted because your boss doesn't really like you. There can be different reasons why he doesn't like you, but obviously there is always something you did, or just you are not, let's say, on the same page with your boss, which is another idiom that we will learn at one point later. The next one is give someone the green light. That basically means that we allow someone to do something. For example, the government gave the company the green light to start a new project, to open up a new store. Obviously, this idiom comes from the green traffic light, which signals that it's safe to proceed, and is the same in general English as well, but we really use this one in business English a lot. So give someone a green light, or give something a green light. You can give green light to that project. Obviously, there are some people behind the project. We can also use it in that context. The next one is a red tape. Now, we are not referring to blushing. We are referring to all these processes and procedures and rules that could be slow or unnecessary. And this idiom originated from red ribbons that were used to bind official documents in the past. So we can say, for example, the government must reduce red tape. Cutting through the red tape would make things much more easier. So we're referring to all these rules, procedures, processes that we have to go through in order to, for example, collect some documents, start a new company, etc., etc. Start a new project, venture. The next one is in the red. So this is the third one with a word red in it. And there is also in the black. So what is the difference? In the red means not profitable or in debt. So that means that we are not making any profit, while in the black means profitable and not in debt. So in this case, you can see the obvious differences, you are making money or not. And those terms come from accounting practices where losses were recorded in red ink and profits gains in black ink. So most new businesses will operate in the red for at least 2 years, meaning they initially incur more costs than profits. However, with good management, they can eventually get in the black. Like, for example, Greece managed to pay off its loans from the IMF and stabilize its economy. They are in black now. Next one is to roll out the red carpet. So when you roll out the red carpet, you give a special or warm welcome to someone. You treat someone very well. This idiom originated from the literal red carpets laid out for royalty. And we can see today, for example, when we have Oscar Awards or Golden Globe or, I don't know, Cannes Film Festival, all these big festivals, you always have a red carpet and celebrities walk there, obviously. For example, the employees rolled out the red carpet for the new manager. So they really treat that manager very well. The next one is green with envy. If you are green with envy, you are extremely envious of another person's things or solution. This idiom dates back to ancient Greece, where it was believed that envy could produce green building the body. So in this case, we have idiom that originated in Greece. Obviously, we can suppose, because it's obvious, translation, right, from Greek to English, but we also use it, and we maybe use this one in some other languages as well. The next one, I also just give you an idiom. Example, everyone was green with envy when I was promoted, right? And everyone was a little bit jealous of me, and they were green with envy. And the last one was once in a blue moon. That means very rarely. So a blue moon is a second full moon in a calendar month, and that's a rare event, occurring approximately once every 2 to 3 years. So this is something really rarely. We can say we got worker problems only once in a blue moon, so almost never. We don't have some issues at our office. These problems are really rare, and our office is a great place to work. That's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this second part. I'm sorry that you waited a little bit longer. I was busy doing some other stuff, but I promise that I will post more videos in the future and more frequently. Thank you very much. Please like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.